The aluminum truck dockboard is engineered and built to maximize safety while handling heavy fork trucks and loads. A beveled edge is designed for smooth entry and exit. The locking legs prevent movement during loading and unloading operations. They are uneven to allow the dockboard to sit canted while not in use for easier pickup by fork trucks. Welded aluminum safety curbs prevent accidental runoffs and provide a visible driving lane. When using three-wheeled fork trucks, order a dockboard with a capacity at least 4 times the lifting capacity of the fork truck. Our BTA model chart is below in the description. The width of the dockboard should be at least 15 inches wider than the load or equipment passing between the curbs. The bend is 11 degrees and 9 inches from the edge, and the legs are 12 inches from the edge. The capacities range from 5,000 to 20,000 pounds. The widths and lengths also vary. These dockboards are versatile that work well with refrigerated trucks, heavy trailers, semi-trailers, and single and small single bed trailers. Check out our model chart for more information. Use this guide for fork truck floor heights to determine the height differential from the truck bed to dock. You can find in the description below. They are also manufactured in compliance with OSHA regulation. Maximize safety at your shipping yard with our line of aluminum truck dockboards with welded aluminum curbs.